What is going on, Turbo Toad fam? We hope you guys are having a beautiful day. If you guys don't know, this channel, honestly, the foundation of it was really and truly built on meme coins, and Turbo was one of those projects that we used to talk about literally every single day. You could check from 2024 up until mid 2025. I was covering Turbo every day, and I keep getting comments every now and then why I don't talk about it every day. Listen, guys, I love the project. I think it's a really solid play, and I think Rep Mankind is an amazing. He created the token first of all. He's not as involved now, but I think what he did was amazing, and the community around Turbo is phenomenal. Now, I will say it's a bear market. There isn't as much things to talk about, so I'll just be talking about the same things every single day for Turbo. So I at least try to get a video out every week. And today we're talking about something very special that released. Turbo keeps building. Rep Mankind is building on top of Turbo. So it's good to see. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every day. Stay until the end. If you like what you see, consider subscribing. Let's get into today's video. So right off the bat, what I want to do is take a look at the price of Ethereum. Because Turbo is a ERC20 play, it's very good to take a look at Ethereum and what ETH is doing as a whole, because the entire altcoin market kind of follows Ethereum for the most part, right? And obviously meme coins built on top of Ethereum are going to follow along with it. Now, one thing I will say, guys, is meme coins that come out like recently, like that come out within the last couple hours, last couple weeks, last couple months, there's still possibilities to make gains with those things, even though the market right now is technically a bear market, right? You're always going to be able to make money with meme coins as long as you're able to get into some of these things as early as possible. So if that is something that you guys are looking to get into, right? If you guys are trying to buy into, for example, if you're trying to buy into new meme coins that are dropping on things like Pump Fund or the Toshi market or Ape Store, whatever it may be, I want you guys to know that meme coins, don't completely write them off. Make gains with them and then move those funds back into real utility plays. However, there's only a select few meme coins that I think are going to do well long term, and some of those are Turbo. You got things like Pengu, Toshi. Those are all plays that I'm extremely bullish on, in the sense of I know that they will recover in the next bull market. Now, in the last month, Turbo is down about 20%. Market cap sitting at 62 million. In the year, down 75%. I mean, the chart is rough, guys. Okay, we got very close to $1 billion market cap. I know this coin market cap isn't going to show us the full picture, but let me show you guys over here. Very, very close to $1 billion market cap. Some people might even consider us hitting it. I don't think we did. We got very close to it, wicked all the way up there, and then boom, dipped all the way down to $60 million. Okay, now we are down 93%. So we are down quite a ways, and it really just depends, guys. The community is strong, right? I'll give it that. The community is strong, but it depends on just how hard Turbo could work on getting new things done, right? Still building, continuing to build. Because if you're able to show the community that, hey, even though the market conditions don't favor us right now, we're going to continue to build on top of Turbo, that is a very good sign. Now, one thing I will say, guys, is like I was saying, there's opportunities in the market at any given point, right? So if you guys want to know exactly what crypto projects I'm buying into, what I sell, my holdings in general, if you guys want your portfolios reviewed, if you want to talk about crypto stocks, investing in general, this is the place to be. This is my inner circle, guys. It is $49.99 a month, but if you use the code 25 off, you get 25% off for life. So click the link down below and join. You can see there's some pretty good reviews on there, and again, these are all testimonials behind me. So again, the proof is inside of there. Obviously, past profits do not guarantee future results, but join and check it out for yourself. Now, let's take a look at some cool things that are happening for Turbo. Right now, one thing I will say is obviously follow them on X, so you guys are aware and stay up to date with relevant information. But boom, Rep Mankind dropped a book on Turbo. You can see Turbo Toad never gives up. Book release in bookstores across the US today. We never gave up on making it, and now it's here. Book launch is in the US, and feeling the accomplishment of a toad that never gave up. And then boom, to add on to it, Turbo Toad never gives up launches in Australia today. So this was June 16th. Amazing. You love to see it, guys. I might even go out and get one of these books because I think it's just supporting Turbo, right? And then you can see one of the biggest, I guess, people in the Turbo space, Samu says, finally received Turbo Toad never gives up today, and my heart is incredibly full. The journey is truly enchanting with next level high quality art, and the message about resilience is so inspiring. Huge thanks to Rep for bringing this vision to life. Again, building, still getting Turbo out there. I know that the conditions aren't the most favorable, but again, there's still they're still building, and you want to see that from a team, you want to see that from a community, and that's what we love to see. Listen guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash that like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you're enjoying so far. And again, some of the biggest reasons as to why we're dumping right now, why the markets aren't the healthiest, is because of this, right? Again, these peace talks that we had, the deal that was signed has literally been suspended. Iran has now suspended 60-day negotiations, said it will not implement any commitments until these attacks stop. So even after this was signed, some attacks continue to happen, which again, it's just unfortunate, guys. Praying for everyone that is involved in this, but also this is really bad for the markets as well. I hope you guys are able to stay resilient though, and just wait, have patience, and I hope you guys are working just as hard to get more fiat, to get more capital in order to deploy into the crypto markets, because I'm telling you, it will recover, it will rebound, we will see another bull market. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, just remember, I am not a financial advisor, but if you enjoyed, smash the like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, guys. Peace out.